Good morning, everyone. I am Jia from class 9C. I am here to make you all aware about the transmitting disease COVID 19, or you can say coronavirus. So, it is very important to take precautions to save your and your family members' life. So, let's start without any further. Firstly, it comes upon our immunity. Things that you can eat to boost up your immunity are orange, lemon, broccoli, amla, grapes, strawberry, kiwi, milk, and etc. When we talk about the precautions, the first thing that comes to our mind is sanitization. Always use the sanitizer having more than 70% of alcohol. Use the sanitizer whenever you feel that you have touched any unsafe thing. Always sanitize your doorknobs. Always sanitize the things that you have received from anyone else. Always wash the vegetables before cooking. As it is going the pandemic situations, the our immunity is playing an important role in these pandemic situations. So the things that you can eat to develop your immunity little bit faster are giloy and papaya juice, chyawanprash, vitamin C and zinc tablet, warm water with the lemon, and etc. We should wash our hands gently till 20 seconds. Enjoy this video. Be fine music. Be fine music. Be fine music. Vaccination. Vaccination is very important to protect our country, and please don't believe on myths because vaccination is safe and the people are getting ill only because vaccine is made up of either same virus but 75% dead or duplicate one. In India it is made up of 75% dead COVID 19. So that's why the people are getting little bit symptoms of coronavirus on getting vaccinated. So take vaccination as soon as possible. Now let's talk about the do's and don'ts. Beverages. Use the juice instead of using Coca-Cola, Thumbs Up, Pepsi, etc. Activities. Instead of doing instead of using mobile phones continuously, do yoga. Whenever you greet each other, do not do handshake, do namaste. Maintenance of social distancing is very important. Maintain 2 meter distance between the person and you. Avoid going the crowded places. Cover your mouth with the mask. Do not move here and there without the mask as shown in the pictures. Always engage yourself in the activities. So why we should engage ourselves in the activities in this type of pandemic situation? We should engage ourselves in the indoor activities because if we will get panic about the pandemic or the situations which are going on, or taking a lot of tension, then our mind has the power to create the thing in our body about the thing or disease mostly about which we are thinking continuously. Do not touch your mouth and avoid touching your nose, eyes, mouth, etc. because um, it will increase the chances of infection. Now thank you, and I hope you liked it, and you will follow all those rules, and if you will follow the rules, yeah, I hope you will not get COVID positive. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.